Hey guys! So for today's video, I'm gonna do a quick hair tutorial. I posted this picture on Instagram a while back, and then I put the hashtag straightener curls, and one of my friends, Jordan, was like, teach me your straightener curl ways. So I thought maybe that would be something that other people would be interested in. I really like straightener curls. I think they're really fast and just easy to do when you're in a hurry, and they're not really like curly curls, although I think there is a way you can do that because I've done it like on accident. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I curl my hair using my straightener, and it's really that simple, so we're just going to get started. This is my hair blow dried yesterday, so we're kind of on day 2, but it was like last night. So this is what it looks like just dried, and yesterday, like after I washed my hair, I did go out somewhere, so I straightened like the ends because they're a little frizzy, but that's pretty much it. I didn't do anything else. So my hair is very straight on its own. So the first thing I do is just section it off, and I do pretty big sections because I have a lot of hair, and if you've watched any other hair videos, like I don't really care a lot about the back, just kind of want to get that out of the way. So I have it sectioned with these little Kristen S sectioning clips. I love these so much, and I'm brushing my hair out with my Kristen S hairbrush. Love this hairbrush. Side note, it reminds me a lot of the wet brush, and I posted that on Instagram, and she actually responded and was like, but the bristles are thinner or something like that. I can't remember exactly what she said, but it is very similar to the wet brush, but I do think that it's a little more gentle even than that, which is really good. So I have my straightener on. This is the Babyliss. Is it Babyliss? It looks like Babyliss. That sounds weird. Nano Titanium Pro. I don't know what is this, like 1 inch? I don't know. I got this at Ulta when they had like a hair tool 20% off sale, because this is expensive as crap. So I'm just gonna do the bottom section pretty quickly. I usually start in the back, and basically I just keep my straightener like parallel to my face and turn it as I pull it through. And then I do like a little twist with it, and I just kind of like throw it behind. I'll try to show like a better piece that's easier to see. And I do alternate, especially on the underneath section, on the way that I turn. So like that's kind of what it looks like, and then I just like twist it the direction that I curled it, and then I toss it back there. And on the bottom sections, I do pull it all the way through to the ends, just because I feel like, again, doesn't matter as much. And I do like, kind of like how I do any kind of curling, where I don't take like the same size sections every time. Okay, I'm gonna do this section more speedy, and then I'll show you kind of like closer to the top how I do it. Okay, so now that I've got all the bottom done, I'm gonna take that hair and use another clip and just get it out of the way, because I don't like to go over the same hair multiple times. It just seems like unnecessary heat. So I'm gonna take this section, which is pretty thin, and leave all of that down, and take some of this and do this little section first. Okay, so once I've got to like the middle and top layer, I do kind of change up how I do it. I don't drag my hair all the way through the straightener to the ends. I kind of like slowly loosen my grip on here, if that makes sense, once I get close to the end. Because I don't want the ends, like, I want them sort of straight-ish, because I think it looks more beachy. So like I turn it, and then like as I'm pulling it down, I kind of like let it go out of there. I don't know. I hope I'm explaining this well. And then give it a little twist. And I just do that so that it'll like hold that curl while it's still warm. And then once I'm done with everything, I'll like go through and, you know, bounce it around with my hands and stuff. So like here, and I like just sort of drop it out of there. If that, I don't know how to explain it with words. So that is that section. And I'm gonna take this, put it back there. And this is probably like the last section that I'll do a forward curl, like towards my face, because anything near the front of my face I want curled away, if that makes sense. I think it does. I think some people don't curl towards their face at all, and that's fine, but I feel like when I do that, my hair just becomes one big curl, and I don't like how that looks for me. And I do usually do smaller sections the closer I get to my face. But yeah, just holding it like parallel to your face, turning it once, and then sort of letting it go towards the end. And if you do curl it all the way through to the ends, then once you're done and you let all your hair down, you can kind of just take your straightener and sort of straighten out the ends. I just try not to do that because that's just more heat that you're like straightening out something that you already curled. I don't know. Actually, I'm gonna do this one forward. And honestly, when I'm in a hurry, I don't do this many sections. I want it to look nice for you guys. Okay, so now that everything is curled, it looks kind of like Shirley Temple-ish. So I'm just gonna take my fingers and run it through. You can use a brush or a comb if you want. I don't want to. And then typically what I'll do is go back over the top section a little bit in like teeny tiny pieces and do it like a little bit closer to my head, and then just like drop it out from there. So like that, and then just like let it go. So that is pretty much it, and that is how I do my straightener curls. I think they look really like sleek and shiny like on clean hair, but this also for me wears really well like the next day. And I'll try to maybe insert like a clip or something from tomorrow on how it looks when I wake up. Hi, it's me from the future. I just wanted to show you guys what this looked like on day 2. This is not obviously not brushed through, and this is. So it still like maintains a lot of curl, but it just has like this frizziness. So when I brush through it, it does lose a little bit of the wave, and it's a lot softer, but it looks like cleaner. So just wanted to show you guys how that works, and then obviously if you brush through it and it's like too straight, you could go over a few more pieces and kind of refresh it a little bit. But that's all. Just wanted to show you the day 2 hair. Okay, back to past me. That's pretty much all I do. I might spray some texture spray in, especially since my hair is pretty clean, just to hold these in place. You could also use hairspray. I'm just not a hairspray gal, so that's all. Seems really simple. I hope this was helpful. It's really hard to explain like the technique because I don't have like the words, the vocabulary to use, but hopefully watching was helpful. And if you guys try this out, then please tag me in your pictures and let me know in the comments below how it goes, or if you do anything different that would be helpful to other people, including me, then that would be great. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!